this is Fresh of the TechSnack group, and today I'm doing a achievement tutorial on, well, it's not an achievement tutorial, but how to get an artifact in Risk of Rain. It will either be the honor artifact or the kin artifact. Oh, I should probably turn most of these off. Sorry guys, I wasn't really prepared. So either honor makes all enemies spawn as elites, and kin means only one enemy will spawn per stage. So, depending on which one we get, will depend on what the video will be. Oh, crap. Oh well, who cares? I'm just gonna complete this as quick as possible, guys, just so you know. Come on. Sorry guys, I just gotta find a chest. Oh yeah, also I gave myself command as a artifact just to make it easier to do the video. To get this one, you're gonna need either I'm gonna have to restart the run because artifacts, they don't actually always spawn. So basically, I'm just gonna be playing over and over until it I'm assuming that it hasn't spawned this time. No, it's spawned. So now the next thing, so you guys see that? That's actually the artifact on the left side of the screen. So we finally found one. Now I just got to get the stuff we need for it. So now we have to find a rusty jetpack or a Hopu feather, which will either the rusty jetpack will increase our jump height, and the Hopu feather will allow us to jump twice. Okay, so we have the Hopu feather we need now, and yeah, so we're just going to run back over to the left side of the map and get the Artifact of Honor. Just so you guys know, if you've already got the Artifact of Command, then this is a much easier artifact to get. The Artifact of Command allows you to pick what items you get of whatever tier you roll. So what we do to get the Artifact of Honor is we jump on this, we stand here, we either use a Hopu feather or a rusty jetpack to get up that. Then we go over here, and then we jump down, and we go to the right, and voila, you have collected the Artifact of Honor. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.